What are you, a moron? Get out of the chicken pen or I'll shut the gate. Okay, there's our first egg. You can see it's a monster. Anyway, I gotta do something about that nest. Okay, that looks a little better. I put that ostrich egg back in there to give her some encouragement. And I'm going to put it in there because why not? Move. Yeah, what I did is I just took a weed eater and chopped up some grass. Dug the briar vines out of it because I was in a good mood. And I'll let the chickens deal with the rest of it. What is it with you and the chicken pen?